Gold has now reached an all-time high, and it is at 4,533 US dollars per ounce as of market close on Saturday. Silver has closed this week at US dollars 79.31 per ounce, almost broken the $80 psychological barrier, which is absolutely insane. Yes, there's structural supply deficits. Yes, there is an industrial demand for the metal. Yes, silver follows suit with gold. And yes, silver is a more volatile metal with gold. But despite all of that, do you guys think that the movements in silver that are happening so rapidly are justified? Do you think investors are aggressively pricing in all the factors that I just mentioned? Or is it just momentum picking up and people just riding the FOMO wave? Please let us know your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear some of your opinions on silver and hope to provide to you more coverage on silver as a metal moving on to 2026.